Oh.
Cheese.
Show me.
What does May do?
Show me what May does with
How
your
does May
milk.
drink the milk? How does May drink the milk? How did May do it?
How does May do it?
Remember with her tongue?
Can
What
you
did she
show
do?
Mama?
What'd she do with her tongue? What did May do? Is that what May did? That's right. Good job.
Oh, no, ma'am.
Oh, thank you. It's empty. We'll recycle it. You want me to drink it?
Yeah.
Lainey, Lainey, can you tell me, what does a cow say? Yeah. And can you tell me, what does Swiper say? Good job. And then what does a kangaroo do?
Yeah.
A hop, hop, hop.
What does a turkey say? Gobble, gobble, gobble. That's right.
What does a cat say?
What does a fish say? Yeah, good. I can't do it if I'm smiling. That's your fish.
Lainey, can you look at the camera and say cheese? Say cheese.